Okay. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Rabbi Shali Sadri Wasalli Amri Waliluktatam Lisani Yafaqali. So I would like to welcome all of you in this FI session and Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this session is about our quick and brief briefing about what is Founder Institute. So Founder Institute is the world's largest pre-seed accelerator. It's based in more than 190 plus cities worldwide, having a mentored list of like more than 50,000 vendors worldwide, uh, with like around 4,250 startups graduated from, or you can say alumni, founders who got benefits from Founder Institute program. And these startups who get uh, benefit from this program, they get a valuation of more than $20 billion. So Founder Institute started in 2009, and it was like they believe that entrepreneurs can create real impact on society. But for most startups fail, they fail because they lack expert feedback. And this is one of the reasons Founder Institute is valuable for, especially for those who are at the pre-seed stage of the business. Second, our program helps pre-seed founders specifically, and teams get to traction and funding through a devoted support network. Like we are not, uh, uh, can say, we are not focusing on seed investment. We are our target audience is those who are like to build their startup at the very introductory stage, and we work on founders. We don't work on, uh, you can say, we are mainly focusing about building the business acumen of that individual or individuals who would like to start their entrepreneurship journey. When we started in 2009, that was like April 2009, when you can see here there's a financial crunch was happening, like almost 11 years ago. And Founder Institute started in that financial crunch. And since then, what we have seen like many companies who, because when we talk about startups usually uh, thrive in disruption. When the typical enterprises are facing challenges and doing cost cutting and worrying about giving salary to their employees, startups find a way to disrupt in those circumstances. And because one of the major reasons of startup success is their agility, the speed through which they adapt. So these are the companies which were established in like almost 11 years ago, 11 to 9 years ago. And you can, on the top of the list, you can see here Airbnb, Uber, Udemy, Twitch, and like if you just Google it right now, they are like almost Zoom at the bottom of the list. So these companies were started and pre or post that 2009 financial crunch, but if you can see their position right now, they are like a big company. So to build a company, and to becoming a billionaire company, a unicorn, it takes time. You definitely need to work on it. It's not a, like you success never comes in a very short span of time. It takes a lot. It comes after a lot of failure, and failure is all about learning uh, and avoiding and yourself to repeat those similar mistakes. This is the time we believe this is the time for you to build our post-COVID future. And for that, we are here as a Founder Institute is going to help you. So, how FI is can help you in your startup journey is like right now, since COVID, like every program is happening worldwide is a virtual program, and we are enrolling more applicants in our different programs. Like they are in more cities, we are opening our FI program. And also the fees, usually the fees is like $300, 400 $399 of approximately $400 in Pakistan. But now it's like if you're referring to Pakistan, like in Karachi, which we are going to launch a second cohort in 2020. So we our early bird price is like $250, $249. And then this time we can also offer you more office hours. So through a software in which founders and mentors can interact and book their office hours to get a consultation on their startup. Then how Founder Institute is differentiated from other players in the ecosystem. Like Founder Institute is a pre-seed accelerator, and we work with founders and teams to get a business uh, to grow or to launch. So we are focusing on two aspects of the business, because we are not like seed accelerator in which Y Combinator or Techstars or 500 is working, because we are working on the investment readiness uh, at before the seed stage. It's like we are working on the pre-seed stage to work on the founders and their building their business mindset. So pre-seed applicants categorizes into these three boxes. Like they are at the idea stage, and then they are have a team, or they have developed a prototype or about to build a prototype, and then they also want to grow their business. Like they have some products which they already launched, and they want to get more revenue from those launch products. So we have two tracks. The first track is about the launch track, in which earlier founders focus on validation, team, and go-to-market. And then we have a second track, which is growth track, in which later founders or already those who already started their business, they join the program to grow their business. That like how they can increase their bottom line through traction and funding. So Founder Institute, Founder Institute is comprises of a 14 weeks program, almost completed in 4 months. And as we have mentioned earlier, it's about launch track and growth track. And once you completed the Founder Institute program, then you will get an opportunity to enroll yourself in a 3 to 6 month virtual advisory program to reach your next milestone through Founder Lab. So Founder Lab is a platform which is running globally, worldwide, accessible for all the graduates of Founder Institute, and uh, more importantly managed by FIHU directly. And it's like not a limited time program. It's like depending on your startup journey and the value you are going to provide to your target customer, FI decide mutually that how long they should trying to help you in this procedure. So I will give you more detail about this Founder Lab in later session. So those companies who graduated from Founder Institute, like in North America, we have Udemy. On Latin America, we have CoPlaceit, and then EMEA region, we have many companies who got acquired. Then in Asia, we have Gofar. So one of the flagship companies which is popular right these days is Udemy.com, and Udemy is one of the graduates from Founder Institute. So 45 plus portfolio companies got acquired. So these companies got benefit from Founder Institute program, and once they launched later on at this stage, business stage, they have been acquired by other big companies. So till now, how much investment Founder Institute startups raised till date? So they are like more or around more than $950 million, or approximately $1 billion. Entrepreneurs raised from investors. This is the amount which the FI alumni raised through investors. How do we do it? We find great people. We give them a devoted time and support through our support network. Put them through a structured growth process and provide a lifetime of support. So we are not building or helping entrepreneurs for a short period of a time. We believe in to empower this entrepreneurship ecosystem, and for that we feel that we are going to add value in your startup journey. So for how we are doing it, first we find great people, and because companies start with great people, not with great ideas. It's about the people, it's about the individual, it's about you, that how you are going to add value. That is important. And for that, we build a test, social science-based admission test, through which we able to identify that who's suitable for his startup or her startup journey right now, and who are not. So you don't need to submit an ID to apply. 1 hour long online psychographic and aptitude test, through which we'll be able to identify that either you have that entrepreneurial DNA or you are still need to develop. And then we only accept high potential entrepreneurs. It's not like anyone can apply, but only selected uh, applicants get opportunity to enroll to FI program. Second, we create a devoted support network. Great companies are not built alone. They need constant feedback. So for that, we have a large pool of network. And as I'll be explaining in the later slides as well. Like now, the good part of the virtual program is since we have launched ORs, which is the Office R tool. So any founder can interact with any mentor who's available online at, on and based in any part of the world. So it's a excellent opportunity for you to get the advice related to your business, related to your industry from the large pool of 15,000 mentors accessible through FI platform. Mentors are invested in your success through our equity collective. And what is equity collective? That is important for all these stakeholders. So before explaining the equity collective, there are 4 major stakeholders who are involved in this FI, you can say, ecosystem. The first is the alumni, the one who who enrolled in the program as a founder and then later on graduated from the FI program. It's about you, the founder who's going to start their entrepreneurship journey. Second is the mentor, who is going to give guidance and support throughout the 4 months with their expert opinion, and they are having using their diverse industry experience. Third is the local leaders, that we are the directors, and then last is the Founder Institute HQ. So everyone get 1% of that equity collected, that you receive financial upside in all companies from your cohort. So like after like 6 weeks, after a month almost, founders can participate in the equity collective. Halfway through your program, you can contribute 4% in warrants to a 15-year equity collective. So Founder Institute manage your warrants for the 15-year equity collective program, that at any part of this journey, you get some investment, or you get benefit from the investors. Then you can get 1% from all the startups success. So it's like कि अगर आपने जो है आपने अपने बिजनेस में let's say 100 million की investment आपको मिली है, but the other founder which which was one of the peer members in your cohort, that company get investment of like let's say 500 million. So any of these each alumni get 1%, having a 1% share in all the companies which graduated from the program. Then 1% will be given to the mentors. वो लोग जो आपको guide करेंगे throughout your startup journey, they will get 1% of that 4%. So this 4% will be divided into these 4 different stakeholders. Third, we provide a structured process. Like focus is a startup's biggest challenge, and focus is speed. If your focus is distracted and diverted, then you're not able to move with agility. So to move with agility, to expand your business quickly and launch it, you need to focus. And to focus, it's like we have a very structured program, like a proven process to build quickly and cheaply, updated 2 times every year, based on global feedback, with a highly structured and sequential program, aggressive growth sprints with weekly deliverables. So during this 14 weeks program, every week there are some deliverables which the founder is supposed to complete. And these deliverables are like connected to each part of the program. Like in the beginning, you'll be working on the vision part, and later on you'll be working on the product part, and at the end you'll be working on the investment readiness and equity, that how you are going to share equity in your startup. And through these 14 weeks, you'll get a constant feedback and honest feedback. Feedback from mentors, feedback from directors. And then we divided our program in 2 stages. First is the launch track, and second is the growth track. So the launch track and growth track both comprises of 14 weeks, but with different KPIs and deliverables. And so those who are at the early stage, they don't have either they have an idea or not have an idea. They work on the early stage level, where they enroll themselves in the launch track. And in the launch track, it's comprised of 14 weeks, starting with orientation and ending at showcase and celebration. During this journey, you'll be pitching, working on customer development, working on your sales and customer acquisition, product development, legal, IP, and team advisory, building a team, and so on. And throughout this program, you'll be getting feedback from mentor, you'll be getting feedback from directors, you'll be have an opportunity to discuss your startup and pitch your startup to different mentors on a weekly basis with different areas of the business. Similarly, the session for the growth track is similar, but that you can say the deliverables are different, because we cannot compare apples with oranges. Those who are at the launch track have a different KPI, have a different outcome, and as compared to those who are already launched their business, but now they want to grow it. Secondly, we have additional perk for future, like apart from enrolling to the program, you have we'll be having a weekly Ask Me Anything with Silicon Valley HQ team, where you'll be getting a chance to discuss your ideas and get feedback on your startup with Edu Resi, who's the CEO of Founder Institute. And also you can have more office hours with local leaders and mentors from around the world. Then we have a fast track to our post programs, Founder Lab, where you can prepare to raise seed round. And then as an FI graduate, you can attend any in-person program session in any city around the world at any time. So these are the few more perks that you'll be getting once you graduate from FI program. So once you graduate from Founder Institute program, then you have an opportunity to enroll yourself in the Founder Lab, and also you'll be a part of alumni network. So this Founder Lab program, it's comprises of 3 to 6 months. It's an advisory program that provides devoted support and a structured process to help you reach post-program milestones. It's a completely free program for FI alumni, and it's completely 100% online, virtual session. Founder Lab, if you get shortlisted and suggested by directors for the Founder Lab, then these are the 3 stages. you need to go through. First is the product market fit, then second is the funding lab, and third one is the venture lab. So let's discuss more about the funding lab. So in the funding lab, the goal is to get your lead investor, and for that we'll work on how to access to shared database of investor and advisor. Then pitch deck, term sheet is one of the critical aspect of raising investment. Then cap table, editing feedback, and negotiation assistance. So these all are the things you'll be able to get from the founder lab. This is the 12-week plan with how we are going to assist you in this journey with different sprints. But there is a warning, and the last part of the my presentation, that we are here to help, but the Founder Institute is hard. It's like it's not us me too kind of a program as other ecosystem players are offering. It's different. So because building an enduring business is much harder, and like more than 40% make it through the program by design. We practice brutal, honest, and no threes allowed. Like we believe on honest feedback, and either we give 1, 2, or 4 or 5. Usually, our mentors are not supposed to give 3 rating when they are listening to your pitches. So, how you are going to how you can graduate or through FI program? So to remain you must complete all the deliverables, weekly deliverables, which you're supposed to done on a weekly basis. And secondly, to get a high mentor rating. And both of the things you need to work on. You cannot do very good in submitting all your deliverables, but if you have a poor rating, then you're not able to survive. And if you get drop out from the program at the later stages of if you drop out before third session, then you can get full refund. I'll give you more detail in the upcoming slides. But if you drop out during the session after the third session, then you can join the next cohort completely free. So this is the finances that you should consider about. So right now application is free, fee is free. You can apply to Founder Institute without paying this $25 amount. It's completely free for attendees and before the early deadline. So the early deadline for Karachi semester is 4th of October, and for other chapters you can refer to their landing page. Apart from the application fee, so right now the fee which we are charging is it's very low, because if you drop out or if you due to any reason if you want to refund, then you can do it by telling your mentors, telling the director, as well as telling FIHU through an email that you don't want to continue, and we will give you a full refund before the third session, which is the customer development session. The first session is about orientation, second is vision, and third is customer development. So before customer development, you can do this. The second one is the fee is to reduce. Usually we have $400, but now we are charging $249 early bird fee. So the Founder Institute provides a devoted support network and growth process to help you get to traction and funding. This is the summary of the entire presentation. So I wish you all the best in your startup journey, and if you are willing to pursue it, then I definitely recommend you Founder Institute program. For more details, you can visit to fi.co/overview, and if you are interested to apply for Karachi cohort, then you can apply at fi.co/join/Karachi. So thank you so much. This is Syed Abdul Basit, Director, Founder Institute, Karachi. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.